Down the old dirt road, the world was ours to claim. We raced our bikes through puddles, life was just a game. Climbing trees to touch the sky, fearless and free, carving our names, leaving our legacy. The creek was our kingdom, rocks our thrones. We built our forts from sticks and stones, chasing fireflies as dusk turned to night. Our laughter echoed pure delight. Dirt roads and memories, a time when life was light, catching dreams in jars under the moon's soft light. We were wild, we were free, hearts without any scars, living our adventures beneath the stars. Summers of innocence, barefoot in the rain, mud between our toes, simple joys our game. Skipping stones across the water, making ripples in time. Each splash a story, each moment sublime. We'd race the sunset home as the crickets sang. Our days were chapters, no two the same. Those dirt roads hold our tales, whispered by the breeze. Memories like treasures, kept with ease. The old rope swing still hangs, a testament to our past. Though we've grown and moved on, those memories last. The scent of pine and earth, the perfume so sweet, takes us back to days of sun-kissed wheat. We lie in fields of green, watching clouds drift by, imagining shapes our spirits high. Those dirt roads call us back to the child within, where every turn was a chance to begin. Where every turn was a chance to begin. So here's to the dirt roads, the trees we climbed so high, to the fireflies we chased under the twilight sky. May we never lose the wonder, the joy of simple things, for in our hearts the dirt road forever sings.